Hello everybody, welcome to Impressive Image Maker channel. This is Toshi Yagi from beautiful little island Okinawa, Japan. I'm a photographer. I shot this image 3-4 years ago, and I tried this shot, tried to make something illustration or watercolor type couple times last year from last year, or maybe over a year ago or so. Well, this time I want to try this image again, and let's see. I have this image, and also I made this pencil drawing type image by Adobe Photoshop. Used filter called Find Edges as always, and so many times I tried. Well, not much. Anyways, this is a nice shot, and I want to make something light color background image. Maybe they drive me the illustration. I don't know what's gonna happen, but let's get started. Okay. I usually check the change blend mode on pencil drawing type image, but this time I'm gonna go for duplicate this original image. Now I'm gonna tone down about 50% of this. I'm gonna add some colors too. Even though this is nice background, no colors much, just touch orange, nice feeling for evening feeling, evening feeling background overall image to make something light image illustration. Now I wanna see this original image over original image, just opacity halftone to change blend mode. Goes now evening shot, That's interesting though. I just changed the blend mode of same image but toned down. Goes so dark, more adult-ish, but I want to try some light illustration this time. So color dodge shows more light, color background orange-ish. This is nice too. Linear dodge pretty much lighten up. Maybe though use screen or color dodge. No, linear dodge, screen. Linear dodge goes lighter than screen. If I add some colors, how it's gonna turn out? Let's see. Okay, I'm gonna add layer, then change blend mode, to color. Then let's see. No texture, just basic to soft round opacity. What colors shall I? Well, since orange-ish colors already on background, so this time maybe cyan green. Well, okay, let me see. Turn on this pencil drawing type image. Then change blend mode. Kind of interesting. Soft light. Luminosity. Look at this. Interesting, It is like illustration. Light image, isn't it? Well, I want to add some. Her dress changed colors. Maybe I should add one more layer in between these, Okay, I'm gonna add layer, then change to color. Let's see. Well, trying to strange colors, Well, pretty interesting luminosity effect, huh? Well, if I fix this image, save this one as one layer, then maybe as an illustration based image, that's kind of turn into something interesting, huh? Well, let me make this. Select multiple. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All the layers. Then duplicate layers. Now merge selected. We got one layer image. Now I just think this is kind of interesting. And let me see. Just duplicate layer and just turn it off to keep it one. The other one, this one. These grains are kind of destructive, so I want to smudge all the image. What do you think? I don't know how it's gonna turn out. Well, let me try. Maybe smudge everything to get out of these grains, huh? Let me see. Now smudge tool, basic, to say, soft round. Let me see how it's gonna turn out. Take all the greens out. Just color. Oops. Even the lines, huh? That's kind of interesting though. Yeah, let's see it. Oh, first of all, I go for bigger area. Try everything. Yep. Experimentation. We don't know what's gonna happen. That's interesting. Alright, now smaller size brush. Then let's see. Well, almost done for this smudge. Very interesting. Alright, let's see. This one is I haven't smudged. So we have straight image. Just turn it off. This is the smudged one. Then we are looking at bottom. This, I'm gonna bring this pencil drawing type image, blend mode, go back to normal. Now then turn it off. Then I'm gonna move this smudged. Well, this was not pencil drawing type image. This is what do you call it? Pretty much effective 5 layers. Okay, this is smudged 5 layers effect. Then this one is just straight. I haven't smudged or anything. Okay, just keep this one off. Then now I have this image over these images. Now let me see. Well, this is interesting. Well, about 70% luminosity effect. Then maybe okay, create empty mask. Now I'm gonna mask hide some image from this 5 layers effect layer. Smudged texture shows much. I can fix this too. Well, that's interesting. Let's see. The brush, painting to roughing brush. Look at this brush texture. So much interesting. This brush texture is so interesting, I know, but I don't know if I masked to see the original image though. Then you see I can go touch darker. More contrast overall, maybe, just like this is not interesting. 70%. We have same image without smudge on here, so if I turn on this layer and multiply color burn, well, we can make some different illustration as a variation with mask. So much to do from here. Look, this is pin light, right? Yeah, so much interesting. Okay, that's good now. Now, what I was looking at is this, her face. I want to maybe soften up. Don't need to change this, but I think need to change this smudge some. That's right. This one has mask. Pin light effect, huh? Pin light effect is so much interesting, and if I want to go darker, then pencil drawing type image on, change blend mode to color burn, goes darker, tone down, or color goes darker, but same time black lines darker too. I don't want that, so not luminosity, let me change to color or color burn. Doesn't make much difference. Well, so this is nice. Okay, I'm gonna fix this color here. Touch. Okay, I'm gonna make mask. Brush is basic to soft round opacity, then mask. Wait a minute. Soft round. Well, maybe I don't want to show much. So in this case, linear dodge. Okay, I think I don't need this mask, so go back. Well, just delete this mask, cut mask. Don't need mask, right? Now I want touch smooth out. Okay, I got it. Now I'm gonna make mask. No, I'm gonna paint some. Maybe. Okay, now. Alright, I'm gonna add layer. Then paint with dry media to pastel square. I like this. Smooth out her face, then change the brush to scratchy pencil. Okay, illustrations, completely illustrations, I think. Then okay, and I'm gonna add some border with let's see, same dry media. Contact rayon, pick some color. Okay, completely illustration. Okay, and I'm gonna delete this empty layer. Now we had, well, from here, this is my original, and then I duplicate layer, change blend mode to linear dodge. The opacity is 70 to make lighten up the original image. So we see background, then I add color on the background, greenish, blue, green, and touch orange to get this color. And then I changed her costume dress color, add some, well, purple, red, blue or color, then add, well, luminosity effect. Then I made one layer to get this sort of grainy pastel colors. I fixed one layer. Then I changed to smudge. Oops, this one. Oh, this one is color burn now. I changed blend mode. But I smudged this grainy area. Then I change the blend mode to pin light effect to get this illustration image. Then I add some colors on her face, smooth it out, and the lips. I add some colors to get a little bit sharp face. Then also I add colors for surrounding. You see this much. Well, thank you for watching my video, and I hope this movie is gonna give you some kind of idea for your creative work. Make it completely illustration type image, isn't it? Well, color wise I kinda like, compared to original image, is a little bit low-key type image. Now this is a one way for express some kind of portrait or maybe model's image. Well, I really appreciate for you guys' support, and you guys have a nice day, and see you next time. Bye now. Ciao.